subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
आप प्रेगनेंसी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो या आप वरीड हो कि आप प्रेग्नेंट हो कि ना हो, or you are unsure of the contraceptive that you have used and whether it has worked for you or not, and you want to know whether you're pregnant as soon as possible? Today, I, Dr. Sudeshna Ray, would talk all about pregnancy testing, about how to know that you're pregnant. Generally, the first symptom of pregnancy is always missing of periods. अगर आपका cycles regular हो तो आप fairly उसके ऊपर depend कर सकते हो, dates के ऊपर depend कर सकते हो. If they have not come on your expected day, then you can start testing for the pregnancy. But if your cycles are irregular, then waiting for your periods and then testing for the pregnancy might make you miss the early bus of testing pregnancy as soon as possible. But first of all, why is it necessary for you to know that you're pregnant as soon as possible? Well, one, if you're planning for a pregnancy, you can start the necessary care as soon as possible. If you are taking any treatment for your pregnancy, as soon as you detect that you're pregnant, you might start the extra medications and medical support that you need for that pregnancy. Third, if you do not want a pregnancy, then earlier you detect the pregnancy, the better it is and the easier it is for you to take a decision regarding that pregnancy. Now, important points on pregnancy testing. 1. Suspicion that you're pregnant. If you had an unprotected sex around the time of ovulation, if the cycles are very regular for you, then you can start testing even before you have missed your periods. 2. If your cycles are irregular, agar time pe nahi aata hai wo, and you had unprotected sex at any time during the cycle, you can test for pregnancy after 15 days of that unprotected intercourse. 3. Home urinary pregnancy kit. This is the simplest way you can test for pregnancy. हर फार्मेसी के दुकान में ये अवेलेबल है. This kit is available. You have to follow the instructions. It's very simple. You have to drop 2 or 3 drops of urine. It comes with a dropper also. On the side where it is written S, and then 2 lines on the T and the C are suggestive of a positive pregnancy test. अगर एक ही line आया है C में, then it is a negative pregnancy test. If there is even a faint line on the T and a very dark line on the C, that is also considered to be a positive pregnancy test. Now, it is very important to read the results within 5 minutes of the test, because if you leave it overnight, it might be negative to begin with. In the morning, there might be 2 lines and you might get confused, but it's actually a negative test. Also remember, agar ek negative urinary test, home urinary test है, तो उसको आप completely confirmation of no pregnancy नहीं पकड़ सकते. So you might need to repeat it after 7 days, or you need to do a blood test. 4. Blood test for pregnancy. Now this is called a serum beta HCG test. ये टेस्ट आप 12 to 14 days after the sexual intercourse, or within 15 days of a procedure like an IUI or IVF कर सकते हो. Any level above 200 is indicative of pregnancy. Any level before 10 does not indicate a pregnancy. In between, if you have any level, you need to speak to your doctor and see where you are standing. 5. Pregnancy symptoms of nausea, vomiting, morning sickness, craving for certain kind of food usually do not happen in a very early pregnancy. So do not wait for these symptoms for a pregnancy test. Also, अगर आप बहुत टेंस्ड हो, अगर आप बहुत वरीड हो कि आप प्रेग्नेंट हो या बहुत एंशियस हो प्रेगनेंसी के लिए, these symptoms can also come and confuse you as a part of the anxiety. 6. Now, however, if you feel unusually tired or feeling very, very sleepy or sleep off suddenly while doing your work, and you have missed your periods and you recall having sex in that cycle, please test yourself ASAP. Seventh, now the ultrasound can detect a pregnancy not before 5 to 6 weeks of your missed period. At least 5 to 6 weeks of your missed period. So do not do a sonography to detect early pregnancy. It might show you nothing and you can still be pregnant. Make the best use of the information that I have given you today. The next time you are anxious or next time you are thinking of a pregnancy testing, do write to me at drsudeshnacares@gmail.com or watch my Insta live on drsudeshna.gynaecologist.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.